Socratic AI Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this review of the Socratic AI tool, where I'll break down its features, performance, and whether it's worth your time. If you're interested in exploring it yourself, I've added the links to the product in the description below, so feel free to check those out. Socratic AI is an innovative AI-powered platform designed to assist users with educational and problem-solving tasks. Built by Google, it's primarily aimed at students, educators, and anyone seeking a quick, reliable tool to break down complex concepts. The tool shines in its ability to provide instant explanations to a wide range of subjects, including math, science, literature, and history. Its unique strength lies in how it uses AI to not only answer questions, but also offer step-by-step solutions, particularly in areas like algebra and geometry. For example, you can snap a picture of a math problem, and Socratic will give you a breakdown of the solution along with helpful explanations. The app is designed for ease of use, with a clean interface that simplifies navigation. One standout feature is its ability to parse queries in natural language, making it accessible even to users who may not be well-versed in technical jargon. The app's deep integration with Google Search ensures that answers are not only relevant, but come from credible sources, giving users confidence in the information they receive. Now, who exactly should use Socratic AI? It's a great tool for high school and college students who need assistance with homework or preparing for exams. Educators will also appreciate it for explaining difficult concepts in a more interactive way, while learners at any stage will find its approach to teaching engaging and clear. Overall, Socratic AI is a powerful educational tool that combines AI and practical usability. If you're looking for an efficient way to enhance your learning or simplify complex topics, I highly recommend giving it a try. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.